everyone. I'm on my way to see Joanne. Joanne invited me over to come have some black soup, okay? And this is how to get me out of my house. Invites me for food. We have so many things to plan, so many things to discuss, and just follow me through this journey. Jessie, the warrior, the warrior. I'm telling you. Tell me if this is fair. So I flipped through the first 3 pages. Joanne.
I'm the bride.
Joanne. Where's your...
I'm the bride. They came to marry me. I don't do that.
But you guys, take a look. She did her wedding makeup herself. There's no way in heaven that I'm going to pay a makeup artist. There's just no way. Like, come on. It's a waste of money. See now.
You can do your
see bride now. I will try. I will try. At least I will do something small. I like this picture. Oh.
I dressed myself. I did everything myself.
Oh, Joanne is so beautiful. Oh. Hey, wedding. Guys, I finally found a photo with hubby. But guess what? He has only 1 page of himself. Joanne has 1. She has almost 7. Only her alone. This girl, this woman. See, Joanne everywhere. And then she gave her hubby only 1. She gave see Joanne everywhere. She gave him only 1. At least he has a page. Yo, let's remind them who owns the house, okay? Say it with me. Women. Say it. Women. This young man is finishing this big cup of food, though. Hey, he didn't even come to play with you. It's not your mate. Hey, Colombiano. Tovia is awake, guys. Tovia, say hello. Say hello, YouTube. Say hello. How are you? Did you sleep well? You enjoy your sleep. You didn't enjoy the sleep. Why? What happened? What did you dream of? Nothing. You didn't dream. She's looking at her mom.
Baby girl, how are you?
She's looking at her mom's pictures.
Hi, children.
What? Me and little
I saw it. Hey!
I am having starch. See starch. I haven't seen starch in over 2 years. And I'm eating it with black soup and chilled malts. Thank you, Jojo. People should eat with me. Sit with me while I eat. You people want?
You're filming.
Let them see mine. I'm enjoying my life. Are you enjoying yours, or are you jealous of mine? I'm missing my amazing YouTubers. Look at this wonderful table. Look at this table made by Joanne Theo's hobby. And you won't believe that this is actually tires. So beautiful and creative. I couldn't believe it when she told me. What do you guys think? Joanne's sister came around. She's such a pleasant person to be around. She's so positive. I love her energy. She has a thrift store. She went shopping for her thrift store and she's taking photos to upload. Joanne herself also has a thrift store, and I did get a few things from Joanne and her sister, and I can't wait to show them to you guys. That would be in another video. My battery died, I couldn't do an outro. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave me your comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.